Good morning, children. Welcome back to RB Online. In previous class, we start the worksheet. Completed first main to up to third main. Okay. Now we will continue today class. That is fourth exercise. Okay. It is fourth. See, this is word problem is there. Fourth one. In a garden, there are there are 1,300 herbs, 1,640 shrubs, and 200 trees. 200 trees. What is the total what is the total number of plants? What is the total number of plants in the garden? What is the total number of plants in the garden? The question. See, in a garden there are 1,300 herbs, 1,640 shrubs, and 200 trees. What is the total number of plants in the garden? Here one garden is there. There is different trees is there. Herbs, shrubs, and some trees. You find out total number of trees in all. Okay. You put the solution. Number of herbs in the garden. How much is there? That is 1,300. Okay. Next, number of shrubs. In the gardens. How much shrubs is there? That is 1,640. Is 1,640. Next, another one, number of trees. Okay, trees. Number of trees. Number of trees in the garden. How much trees there? 200. That is 2-digit number. Okay. Next, total means what? You do sum. You do addition. Okay. Total number of trees means you find out to all add the all shrubs and herbs and trees. You will get the what is the total number of trees in all. Okay. See. Here you write total number of plants. Here what are the total number of plants in the garden. You add. First you add 1's place, after 10's place, after 100 after 1000 place digits. Okay. First you go to how to addition to you move smallest place value to and greatest place. First you add one space digit after 10 space after 100 after 1000. Now you add here one space all zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0 what? That is 0. You write 0 as it is. Okay. Next in 10 place. See here 0, 4, 0. 0 plus 4 means what? That is same. If your 0 is add any number, the answer will be the same. Okay. Next, here in another place, 3, 6, 2. See. 3 plus 6 plus 2. You add all. How much is the answer? Here 6 plus 3, 9. 9, 10, 11. 11, two-digit number. You don't write as it is in 100 place. You write 1 in 100 place and another one you carry over the 1000 place. Okay. After add this 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer? 3114. What is the answer? 3140. See, how much the plants? Total number of plants in the garden is 3140. Okay, write this one. First, you put your notebook. This is questions. After leave one line. After you put the solution, write neatly this one. Here, first is number of hairs you write after number of shirts in 1640. Next, number of trees, that is 2000. 200 is, sorry, 200 is there, 3-digit number. You start to write to one space to, okay? Right to left, okay? After add. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. Here 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, 10, 11. Here 1 you in 100 place write. Another one you carry over the 1000 place. After 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that is 3. What is the total number of plants in garden? How much? That is 3140. That is 3140. You will understand how to make the sentence. This is the whole problem to learn to how to make the sentence. First, you identify the given things after you solve the problem. Total means sum. All together also you do addition. All means you do addition and sum means addition. Okay, these are words, another word will be addition. Next, fifth one. In a city there are 140 shops of toys, 200 shops of grocery items and 300 shops of fancy dresses. Find out the total number of shops. Here one city is there. You consider as around. Okay. There in the city 140 toy shop and 200 shops in grocery items and 300 shops fancy dresses shop. You find out how much shops in total. How much shops in the city. That one you find out. Okay, children. You put the question. Over this one. Next, fifth one question. In a city There are there are there are 140 shops of toys. Toys means doll shops. Okay. Next, 200 shops. 200 shops of grocery. Grocery items and 300 shops of fancy dresses. Fancy dresses. Dresses. Find out the find out the total number of shops. What you find out here? You find out total number of shops. Okay, you put the solution. First, what is the given things here? In one city, there are 140 shops of toys. Here, how much the shops is there? Toy shops 140 and 200 shops for the grocery items and 300 shops of the fancy dresses. First, you make the list. Okay, see here, right? Number of what is the number of toy shop? Okay, number of toys shops. How much toy shops is there? Number of toy shops, that is 140. Okay. Next, number of, this is the toy shop. Number of grocery items of, right? Number of grocery items shops. How much is there? That is 200. Okay. Next, number of fancy dresses. Here, three types shops. First is toy shop and grocery items. Next one is the fancy dresses. Number of fancy dresses shops. How much is the number of fancy items, fancy dresses shop, that is 300. Next, you find out total number of here ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. See here, find out the total number of shops. Means how much shops is there in the city. So twice and grocery items and fancy dress. Here find out the total number of shops. See, total number of shops. Total number of shops. Total number of shops in the city. See, you find total number of shops in the city. How much is that? You first add 1 plus 0 means that is 0. See, here first plus 0 that is as it is 4 only. Okay, no change. Here 1 plus here 100 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 1 plus 2 3. 3 4 5 6. what is the total number of shops in the city? That is 640. What is the answer? That is 640. Divide the number of toy shops and grocery shop and the fancy dresses. So all together means that is 640. The total number of shops in the city, that is 640. Okay, na? Next, sixth one. A shopkeeper sold 700 greeting cards in first year. 1 year means that is first year. And the 550 cards in the next year. How many cards did he sell in 2 years? Here, shopkeeper is there. Here, one shopkeeper is there. He is the see. This one. Next, sixth one. Okay. Fourth one completed and fifth one completed, sixth one. Okay, what is the sixth one? You put the questions that one. A shopkeeper. Here one shopkeeper is there. Okay. He sold the greeting card. He sells the greeting cards. You find out the how much greeting cards are there in all. Okay. That one you find out. Sixth one. Okay. A shopkeeper keeper sold 700 greeting cards greeting greeting cards greeting card in 1 year. Okay. Greeting card in 1 year. 1 year, how much greeting card is sold? That is 1,700 and 550 cards in the next year. Next year. Next year means that is second year. Here I was want to find out how many cards how many cards did he sell in 2 years? See here one shopkeeper is there. A shopkeeper sold 700 greeting cards in a 1 year. Okay. Next, and 550 cards in the next year. How many cards did sell in 2 years? 2 years means both year. What you do here? You do addition. Okay, addition. See, solution. See. Number of cards sold in first year. Okay, number of greeting cards sold in a first year. How many? See, write number of greeting cards. Greeting cards. Okay, sold in first year. First year. In number of greeting cards sold in a year, that is first year. First year. First year, that is how much? That is 700. 700. And next year, number of greeting cards sold in second year. Second year. That is 550. Greeting card in the first year and second. Okay. First year, how much card sale? Here, the 700, and next year 550. Here, you find out total number of greeting cards sold by shopkeeper in okay, the total number of greeting cards sold by shopkeeper, that is you add 1, 10 and 100. Here 0 plus 0, 0. Here 5 plus 0, 5. Next 7 plus 5, 6. 7 plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, write 12. How much card is sold in the 2 year? That 1250. Answer will be the 1250. Total number of greeting cards sold by the shopkeeper, that is 1250. What is the answer? 1250. Okay. Next. 7 may estimate the sum to the nearest hundred. Okay, you already learned how to estimate, how to round it nearby tens, hundreds and thousands. In the same way, this is also used. Next. Seventh may estimate the sum to the nearest hundred. Nearest hundred. A1 159 plus 209 and B1 642 plus 79. Okay. C1 789 plus 299 and D1 301 plus 390. Okay, this one you estimate rounding the nearest under. No, let's see the one by one. Okay, that one. So here, what is the question? Estimate the sum to the nearest hundred. See here. First one, A1, what is that? 159 plus, you write in vertically, 209. Okay, 159 and 200. How you rounding nearest? This is the 1 space, 10 space and 100 place. Okay, you rounding nearest under means you see the 10 space digit. See here, rounding nearest under means you observe the in 10 space digit. Okay, see 10 space digits more than 5 are equal for you. Consider this one 0, you add left to the number 1. Okay, see 159 is nearest to 100 or 200. Which number is nearest to 159? Here 100 or 200? Yes, right. The nearest to 200. See, 150 rounding nearest to that is 200. See, here 209 is there. Okay, this is nearest to 200 or 300. This is the nearest to 200. That's why write 200. After you add, you rounding first. After you add. Yes, see, first ones, tens, hundred. First you round up. This is 155 nearest to 200. That's why we rounding nearest to 200. This is 209 is the nearest to. That's why we do rounding nearest. After add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 2, 4. It is the answer is the 400. Okay. This is the first answer. That is 400. Next, second one also you do same. See here, first you write the vertical given number, ones, tens, hundred. See here, 1 space 2 is there, after 10 space 4 is there, and 100 plus 6 is there. Next, here 1 plus 9 is there, yes, 10 plus 7 is there, 100 plus base number, you put the 0. This one you convert into nearest to 100. See here. This is the 642 is okay nearest to 600 or 700. How you calculate? This is the you observe the 1010 plus digit. Okay. This is the less than 4. Okay. Less than 5. That's why this is nearest to 600. Okay. See. Yes, 642 nearest 6. Okay, rounding in. Yes, 79 here nearest to 100 or 50. That is the 100. You add 2. See, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 6. That is 700. What is the answer? Is the 700. Rounding nearest B1. That is the 700. Okay. And C1 also. Given number you write in vertically after you add C1. 789 plus that is 299. Okay, 1, 10, 100. See here 789 here nearest to 800 or 700. This is the 89 means that is the nearest to 800. That's why you write the 800. See here 299 nearest to 300 or 200. That is nearest to 300. Okay, that's why we do rounding nearest. Here greater than 5. Here this one consider 0, 0. After you add this number 1 plus 2, that is 300. Okay, 900, 299 nearest to 300. That's why we rounding nearest to 300. After you add. Okay. See here 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here write as it is. What is the sum of two numerals? That is 1100. 1100. Answer what is there? 1100. Next, D1. Next, D1 is the last one. What is this one? See, this is also writing vertically. 301 and 390. This one you convert to nearest to 100. See, here 301 nearest to 300 or 400. This is nearest to 300. That's why you write 300. Here 319. Okay, 319 is the nearest to 400 or 300. That is 19 is closer to 500. Okay, that's why you add 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 3, that is 5 is 7. What is the answer? The answer will be 700. Answer is the 700. This is the completed worksheet. Okay. I hope children today class you will understood. We will meet next class, that is new chapter subtract. Thank you for watching.